We'll guide you through how to remove keyframes from Blender. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Blender on your desktop and wait for the application to fully load. Once Blender has opened, press Ctrl+O on your keyboard to access the File opening window. Locate your file by navigating through the folder structure shown in the file trajectory. You can use the search function instead. Go to the search bar located within the file browser and tap on it to activate the text field. Once the search bar is active, type the name of your file exactly as it was saved. Blender will display matching results based on the name you enter. After the desired file appears, select it by clicking on it once. Make sure the correct file is highlighted before proceeding. Next, go to the Open button, which is usually located in the file browser window. Press the Open button to load the selected file into Blender. Wait a moment while the project opens and all associated data is loaded into the workspace. When the file has successfully opened, go to the Playback panel in the Blender interface. This panel allows you to view and manage animation playback controls and keyframes. To make the panel easier to work with, slide it upward by dragging its border until it becomes larger and provides a clearer view of the timeline. Once the panel is enlarged, locate the specific keyframe that you want to delete from the animation. Carefully identify the correct keyframe to avoid removing the wrong animation data. After selecting the keyframe, click on it, and then press the X key on your keyboard. This action opens a deletion menu with several options. Look for the option labeled Delete Keyframe. When you find it, press on it to confirm the deletion. The selected keyframe will then be removed from your animation timeline successfully and immediately.